Oh, Chevelle time. It's a 1968 SS 396. It's a genuine SS. It's right in the VIN number in 1968. This car has had a body off frame restoration. The underneath is beautifully detailed and rebuilt. Four-wheel disc brakes, factory air conditioning, upgraded with an overdrive trans. The motor is VIN number matching to this car. Beautiful Grecian Green. That's a real popular color these days, and I can see why. Go to volocars.com. We have 200 classic cars, all for sale. Each one will have a price tag and a monthly payment, including this one right here. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, it's a good looking car. The color is what really drew me to it. We had a GTO this color not that long ago, and just everybody flipped over it. So it's an SS, so it has the dual bulges on the hood. All of this looks fantastic. It's straight. The hood fits real nice. The fender looks to be in excellent shape. All beautiful, clean, all the way down to the bottom. It's clean. The roof is nice and straight, no vinyl top, just all beautiful paint. Jams look nice. I could have closed it a little harder. There we go. Quarter panels all look real nice. There's some little pimples down there, tiny little pimples. All this looks great, straight, clean, smooth, shiny, all looking good. Quarter panel on this side all looks good. Same spot, just a couple and very small pimples right there. Clean down here at the bottom. All this looks real nice. Jams are nice. That door shuts real nicely. And so everything fits really well. Now the paint itself, the Grecian Green, is a metallic color. It's got like a silvery metallic. It's laid out evenly. Has minor flaws here and there if you look for them. A little chip here. Matter of fact, I bought this car and I didn't even notice these flaws. It's when you're looking really close. Very edge of the hood, the buffer might have took off a little bit of paint. There's a little touch up there. So you will find some minor imperfections, but only if you're looking for them. The front end, the bumper, the grille, all that looks to be shiny, straight, clean. Does have the black SS stripe. The 396 marker lights, they look like new. The wheel well moldings, the trim, all that looks great. Bow tie mirrors on both sides looks like new. Some light scratches in the vent window glass. The windshield's crystal clear. The moldings are all real nice. This top edge has been like touched up. They could have done a little better job. It's not as shiny as the rest of it. Door handles, door edge guards, all that looks like it's replaced. Those are 17-inch modern version of the SS wheel. They're 17-inch billet wheels with the same SS pattern and Firehawk high performance tires. It has the blacked out SS panel, all the trim, the bumper, all this is looking really sharp back here. Rear window may have been replaced too. That's really nice and clear. A few little dimples on the trim right here. I think it's new and someone must have tapped on it a little too much right there when they were installing it. So there you go. Beautiful exterior. Let's open it up, check out the interior. All right, let's look inside the trunk. It's a nice looking trunk. Underside of the trunk lid painted real nice as the stickers replaced. The jamb is real nice. Weather strip replaced. And look at this, they did an excellent job carpeting all of it. And it has the side panels. And way up under there, even has a panel behind the seat. It looks like the door panel is what it looks like. Got a spare, and it comes with a car cover. Nice looking trunk compartment, finished off real well. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, click the bell icon. You'll be notified when new videos are posted. Door jambs are very nice looking. The weather strips were replaced. The interior looks like it's a nice new reproduction interior. The door panels, the armrest, the chrome base, the window cranks, all of that looks like it's been replaced. The whole instrument panel, the chrome is all shiny, so that's probably all been replaced. It has a tachometer with actual gauges, not dummy lights. Dash pad looks new. The heater control panel looks new. Has a retro stereo. All this is nice and clean. You got molded kick panel speakers, and it has 6x9 speakers in the rear shelf. Real nice fitting carpet, nice mats. The whole center console looks like it's new, and it has the indicator for the overdrive and the staple shifter. Now, right away when I sat in here, I could tell the seats have been rebuilt. They're nice and firm and recushioned, and the new upholstery fits real nicely. The headrests have been recovered. Looks like all this trim has been replaced. And same thing back here, real nice carpet and mats. Has full set of seat belts, original belts, side panels, armrest, window cranks, seat upholstery. All of it looks like it's been redone. The rear shelf and the sail panels are a little wrinkled. The headliner itself was replaced, and that looks real nice, working light. Visors look new. The mirror looks new. It has a wood-grained deluxe steering wheel. Also, the trunk was lined with sound deadener underneath that carpet. I don't know if they did the same in here or not. So that's actually the VIN number matching original engine. It's a 396, 325 horsepower. Might have a little more horsepower now with some of the upgrades. Has an Edelbrock intake on top with a dual feed Holley carburetor under there with some nice premium fuel lines and fittings. A billet distributor back there with some sort of electronic ignition, looks like MSD. You can't really see it, but there's coated headers way down there. And it is a factory air-conditioned car, and the system's been rebuilt, updated with 134 Freon. Looks like the heater control valve was replaced. We have spring clamp battery cables. Yeah, the horns are up here hooked up, the shroud, the cap, all that looks good. Reproduction hoses. Or at least the main hose and the heater hose is reproduction. All the belts, the pulleys look great. Has the power steering with the remote reservoir. That's correct for 68. Upgraded polished alternator. Also has power brakes. Looks like the wiper motor's new. Washer bottle is hooked up to the squirters. It's all painted nicely. Under the hood's painted nicely is the hood insulation. So a nice looking engine compartment. And Michael's going to show you how nicely it runs, too. We'll see you back in a few minutes.
What a looker we got here today. Absolutely loving the color combo. Never seen one quite like this before. And to making things better, this is a real SS with a numbers matching 396 under the hood. Frame off restoration. They've gone ahead and upgraded the transmission with a 200R4 unit. That is an overdrive automatic. Really nice to have that extra gear there. It does feel like these seats are probably restuffed. Good cushion to them. Seems like a really nice build overall. Air conditioning, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes as well. Let's see what she's got. Alright, and just like that, we're doing 60 miles an hour. Really nice rumble to the exhaust. Really strong running vehicle. I really like it. Fantastic ride. Let's see how she goes on the street right here. Very, very nice alignment on it. Seems to be very well dialed in. Great driving experience overall. So go ahead and contact our sales team. Joey or Eric will be more than happy to answer any of your questions. Also arrange a test drive for you. And check out all the details at our website, volocars.com.
So as I said earlier, it's body off frame restored, and underneath it's really sharp. All clean metal floors painted the same glossy Grecian green, and then you have all the black chassis. It was all prepped and painted. It just looks really good. It is the F41 suspension. That's front and rear sway bars, box control arms in the back, and all the suspension and steering looks like it was rebuilt. It has new coil-over adjustable gas shocks up front. Really nice exhaust system. It has, it looks like it's stainless steel, has the X pipe, and has electric dumps on a remote on the keychain. You can open it up and really rattle the windows. And it goes back to some polished MagnaFlow mufflers. They look like a mirror, and then it has the correct SS tips coming out by the back bumper. Also upgraded brake system. It has drilled and slotted disc at all 4 of the wheels. The brake lines, hoses, e-brake assembly, all that was replaced. Fuel system completely replaced, and the tank is polished, so it adds to the beauty underneath the car. And the car behind you usually sees that shiny tank. It just looks real nice. But the lines, all that was replaced. You look up at the motor, it's nice and clean, has a high torque starter. It's a 200 R4 overdrive automatic, so you can cruise real nice in this car. Custom aluminum drive shaft goes back to the 12-bolt rear end. So overall, very nice car, restored very nicely. We'll call it an 8 out of a 10, just for minor little things. A 10 is a $250,000 restoration, which this is not, but it is nice, beautiful color, beautiful options, number match, real super sport. Go to volocars.com. Salesmen can help answer your questions, including how to get your Chevelle delivered home. And we have financing too. Thanks for watching.